Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find all accounts linked to your Gmail. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Gmail. Then having opened up your Gmail, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top side. So click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google account. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and then you have to go to search Google account. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Scroll down and then look for your connection to third-party apps and services. So click on that. It take you right here. At this point here, these are all accounts that has been linked to your Gmail app. So some of these accounts linked to your Gmail app, maybe you use your Gmail account to create an account with a particular website. And if you want to remove any of the accounts that is linked to your Gmail, so what you need to do is to simply click on it. So let's, for instance, I want to remove the FeedIQ that is linked to my Gmail account. So when you click on it, it takes you right here. Now, right here, you have the information about this app and what they are getting from your Gmail. So if you want to delete them, what you need to do is to delete all connection you have with FeedIQ. And once you delete all connection you have with them, you will not receive their promotional mail. You will not receive any of the mail from the account any longer. And every data you have on their website is going to be automatically erased. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find all accounts linked to your Gmail app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.